and play here all night long. And did you see these book piles? It's a lot to read.
Hey, Sammy, open up. We're here to see your new house.
Uh-oh, I'm on the way. Let's see how to assemble this house.
Hi all, today we're going to build a cozy dollhouse. Let's start with the kitchen.
Whoop! Hop, hop, hop! Sam's construction crew's here!
Thank you. This is the place for the kitchen utensils.
Holy cannoli, they're pink!
Sam and I love pink. And now it's time to speed up a bit. Whoosh!
I'm making my signature scrambled eggs!
Oh, wait! We gotta assemble the hood first.
Uh-oh, sorry.
It's okay, we'll do that in no time. Hop. Now you're free to cook.
We're lacking of electricity! And the walls in the oven!
What a grumpy assistant. Friends, do you agree?
Well, now that we have walls, I'm a nice slime again. Here comes the cooker hood! Yeah!
Thanks, Sam. What would I do without you?
Oh, I wish any house could be as easily moved. Where would you take your room, huh, Susie?
Stand still. I'd take mine to the beach.
And I'd travel this kitchen to Tippy Top and back. Check out all the goodies in here.
But to fit them all, we need to assemble a kitchen set.
Let's get it done.
Now the room really does look like a kitchen. Here we go.
Hey, has anyone seen the refrigerator?
Don't worry, the pieces have just arrived.
Delivery services are so late. Hurry, let's assemble it! I cleaned it all up, bringing in the furniture.
Oh, Sammy, you're a real hero. Just 2 pieces left and our kitchen will be ready.
Crafting is good, but reading books is even cooler. Don't worry, I'm fine.
That's why, Sammy, it's better to read in a comfortable room and not on the go. And here's the bookcase. Book lovers, give a thumbs up.
It doesn't look right. The shelves are empty.
Oh, you've collected mini versions of all your favorite books here. It's so cool.
Here's a desk. Sit at it and write down how cool I am.
Your desk looks a little low, Sammy.
Well, I haven't attached the legs yet. Ha! You do the rest. I'll find a place for it. Let's see. Oh, found it! I love it here, just like in my room.
Let's make it even better. Uh-huh. It turned out so nice.
And I found an awesome book. Here.
And to make it even cozier, here's a heart for you.
Send us your hearts too by hitting the thumbs up button.
Sammy, check out who came here to help us.
Ooh, just in time. Come on in, put everything nice and neat. Wow, now that's a study room. I would never, ever, ever leave it.
Unless we make another cool room, right? Come on, it's waiting. Hey, have you guessed what's going to be in this room yet?
Oh, it's not easy, but I accept the challenge. I'm a fearless slime. Ouch! Careful, you're poking me in the eye with this window.
Sorry, can't hear you from outside.
Oh, ha, shiver me chatters, Susie.
Sammy, look. Here's a picture of puffy clouds. What could that mean?
Hold on, I need to fix a hole in the wall.
Let me help you.
What's in there?
I'm gonna give you a hint. Hop. Wow!
Holy cannoli, just like in my dreams!
Sammy, first you have to choose which bunk you're going to sleep on.
Well, it's a tough choice, but I certainly couldn't sleep without my toys. Now that's better. And we need to set up the box.
It's great, Sammy. And this staircase needs a railing with swimming dolphins.
The room isn't packed yet. Just you wait.
Hold on, Sammy. I'll set everything up first.
Now pile this room up with thumbs ups. I wish you only sweet dreams. Check out this ceiling.
Here's for the playroom upstairs.
You're gonna crush me.
Where's your superpower, Sammy? You need to cheer up and play along.
Then I'll play an adventure game. Okay, here we go.
It's chasing away the slimes who's messing up the camping tent. Shall we put it together? Let's go. Now let's lift it up and secure it with a wire. And add some decorations too.
Oh, I would live in here. Just let me go get another pillow.
Here we go. Sammy, pull.
I'm pulling, Sissy. I'm pulling. Okay.
Oh, this is great. A mini kitchen is done. All we need is to fill the room with toys. A slide right in the room? Gotcha! Toys, come in and play.
Hey, I want to play too. It's too packed already.
Sammy, do you want to accommodate in the next room?
Yay! Hurry!
Let's cheer Sam up. Can you find 5 differences from the last room here?
Well, there's a window and the walls that are colored too. 0 difference yet.
Okay, then we need to fast forward. Let's see if you'll find something new this time.
Here's only one bed. This room's just for me.
And you found the first difference. Let's move on. Sammy likes to read in bed. Let's put a night lamp and look, he's got some letters.
A letter from Hogwarts? Holy cannoli, I've been waiting 13 years in Azkaban. Never mind. Fine then, bibbidi bobbidi.
But you already know magic, and you've created new pieces. We'll put them together so you can store your favorite books in here.
And I brought even more. Check out my treasures. I'll put them all in here. Well, here. Yay, it's so packed.
This bookcase will fit next to the dresser. Just a few more pieces to go.
Yay, I like doing this. The room is done.
You look like a mess, but we don't have a bathtub yet.
Uh-oh, holy cannoli. What are we gonna do?
You're lucky. We have a space for the last room, and that's gonna be the bathroom. So you'll be able to wash up, but you'll have to shrink first.
I'll just go to the regular bathroom. All these pieces while I'm there.
I can't find… Oh, here they are.
Oh, I'll be right back.
We're going to build one of the walls for the doll's bathtub.
Oh, so good.
Hey, that's mine.
Susie, you should have warned me.
Oh, sorry, I really needed this towel. Yeah, we'll put it in our little bathroom.
Shiver me chatters. I want it too. I brush my teeth here 3 times a day and sing. La 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 la.
All you need is soapy foam.
How to rinse it off?
Sammy, come back. That's why I put a tub in here.
And put a rock not to wet the floor. Ha!
And there will be a laundry basket in the corner so you don't throw dirty clothes around. Thanks. All right, we've made all 6 rooms for our house. Yay! Now it's time to put everything together.
I'm ready to nail it on.
Let's assemble it first.
Oh, right.
Some glue has come in handy. All that's left is to turn on the lights and call in the guests.
Awesome, we have a new home. Whee! Oh, what's that? Let's go over there. Oh. Whee! Oh. So fun. Hey, don't throw your toys. No pillow fights. Ah!
But you always like to have fun. What's wrong?
I still do. It's just I'm worried about the house. It's so pretty.
Oh, relax and play, Sammy. If anything happens, we'll fix it.
We will?